morning, my friends and family. How are you doing? Today's projects. Why don't you tell them what's going on, Luis?
Today it's 19.
See, it's not even easy. They think it's easy.
Oh, should I do the thing, the blog?
The intro.
Okay.
Well, we're here with Luis Acosta with Acosta Customs. Talk to me about today's work, boss. We're gonna redo this guy's installation because he went to
LA.
LA. He did go to LA. La Cajones. He said Cajones.
Cajones. See, what kind of wire they use?
Shitty work.
6.
Basura. 6 gauge? No, that's like an 8 gauge. No, it's a 12 gauge subwoofer wire for the highs. Let's see the damage in the back.
Wanna see this, Anthony? On this side.
Let's go check out what happened over there. We got some light in here for you guys. Look at that. You see that ground? What are those? Yeah, I can't use shit from here. First problem on this truck is that the amp is a piece of shit brand. I'm sorry about that. Second thing is the installation is on the lower quality side, you know? So, yeah, man, we're gonna fix this one up right now. Fix it up and make it look real nice. And it's Junior. What's up, dog?
Okay.
Who's this, our upholstery man? ¿Cómo se llama? Second vehicle that we got this morning is a Toyota Camry 2018. We'll be putting the 4-channel amplifier. I think Adam is gonna take care of that. So Adam, you taking care of that?
Yep.
Oh, Adam's in the building. Thank you, we need some light. So here's the Camry. We're gonna do the system. Customer already came to us and bought an amp for bass. We already did that for him. See the Alpine? Now we're gonna be adding the 4-channel Focal. Focal's the shit, guys. Remember that. Boom. We do have a deadline though. Has to be done before 12. 30. He squeezed into 30 minutes. I like that. So yes, that's what is on the books as of right now. I'm sure there's more people gonna be coming in. It is Friday after all. So we got our buddy here fixing the upholstery on the headliner. Okay. So that's what they're gonna fix on that. We got Lewis running some better cables. Hey, wait, call your cousin, tell him to come cut our hair today.
My cousin? Mine? My hair?
I'm gonna cut my hair. And they're having a fresh haircut every week for YouTube. You know what I mean, Papa? Call him, tell him to come. Dile, Kyle, cortale mi pelo. Huh.
So, clean out, finish up.
Yeah, for now. I know you don't like to install shitty stuff, but I know you hate that. But you know, sometimes customers don't got the money, bro. We're not all balling like Lewis, who could just walk around and just buy some rims out of nowhere. Who do you know who could just buy some $3,000 wheels?
Just Luis.
Luis, I'm gonna put the rims in your car right now, but I need you to hook up my system. Woo woo! Boys, we're gonna have some bass in our car, some better highs. Damn, I'm happy. Let me call Jack to get my LC2. I mean, what is it? My Fix 86. Junior, yeah, Junior's moving the RAM. All right, so we got another sale. Okay, it's another install customers' own stuff. We'll get that going. I just loaded up all the wheels and tires for Lewis's whip. So I did that. So he's sweating the wheels on his car. Let's do the installation for his car. Take it next door real quick. We're chilling here right now. Guess who showed up? The pinche Carlitos. I think Carlos, man, he comes whenever he wants. He has like the best job ever. Come in. What time is it? 10:30. Come in. Leave at 5. That's like a stick ass job, bro.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We just made another sale. Okay. Check it out. So this is the Link D, right? Because the customer has a factory radio. We got the amplifier kit, which is the wiring. We got a JX 501 and a TW3. We're gonna do a custom box that's gonna be firing down because the customer doesn't like a lot of space taken up. That's why we went with a very shallow subwoofer. It's gonna sound amazing. When it's done, you get to check it out. Also, we have a customer who bought a Halo from us, so we're gonna try to fix. He has a Chromecast in his Halo. We're gonna change it to a Fire Stick. All right. What else is next? Oh, I gotta find out about the alternator. Let's go see.
If you're getting pissed and you don't do what you're supposed to do, there's no Halo 9.
Yeah, I have to be their slave until they put my radio in. But when they do that, I'm gonna quit. As soon as they're done, I'm like, I'm out. Where's Javier? The buggy is put on hold today because we were busy. Vale. You working? Yeah. He's working today. Fuck it. Patron. Next to Vegas. Man, it's bright outside. Good thing we got our filter on. So, Chrysler 300. Also, we got that job in. It's install his own amp. I think I already said that. Install his own amp. Install his own amp. Install our amp. Finish the box. Whew, there's work to do, people. Junior wants to take fucking days and shit. Damn, look at that installation, though. Mira esas mamadas. Hey, wait, do you watch the YouTube videos? Yeah. Tomorrow, yesterday's post is in 4K, so hopefully you guys enjoy that 4K.
Hey, so we're racing you Luis right now?
That's not fair. You had a head start with.
Well, he had a head start.
No, you get a head start with that bump with that battery bin in the back.
Well, he started this truck an hour ago.
¿Quién va a ganar, Luis? Who's gonna win, you or this motherfucker? It's already done, güey.
Yo diario le gano. Cuando ya estoy cansado, diario le gano y nomás
Yeah, you barely started one installation. He's already been done with 3 already.
Javier, ¿este no sirve?
Cool. All right. Hey, there's 2 cars up there, huh? One's a custom box that needs to be done today. Just FYI. All right, so we got Javier right now. He's in the Lexus right there. That's what we're gonna be doing, the custom box. He's doing some measurements. See how it comes out. So I told her like most likely like just like this corner it won't take up. What were you thinking?
I was thinking all the way.
Think that's a good idea?
Why not?
I don't know.
Where the amp is gonna go?
Under the seat. It's pretty small. I don't know, wherever.
Because we can do something like this and integrate the amplifier like on one side and make it all the way.
Okay.
Yes, no?
Yeah, that's fair. I didn't ask her that all the way. I just told her a little corner.
To make it like that, it has to be a sealed box.
Yeah.
To make it like that real.
What we got? DM810. We got 1 4-channel subwoofer from Alpine. The customer has his own amps that he bought from us from his last vehicle. Let's show you that. Let's go show you that. Dang, Luis. So this is the Jeep. Customer brought his own stuff that he bought from us, like I said. That's right there.
Oh my.
He has another RD 400 and a JX 501, which is gonna push this nicely. We're gonna change out the top speakers, the front speakers, get it going. All right, Adam. So from you, Adam, I need to know what size speakers so I can give you the right set. For the front, I want to go components. The rear speakers, I believe there's 3 of them back there, so we're gonna go components as well. And everything's gonna have its own channel. So 1 channel, 2 channels, gonna go octave. 1 channel, 2 channel, 1 channel, 1 channel. Subwoofer, so you're gonna have 8, 9, right? Some shit like that.
Processor.
We're doing a sound processor, yeah.
Nice.
Done. Subwoofer. Oh shit! This is the new Jeep. I forgot. Yeah. I don't know if that woofer fits in here. Check for me.
Where's the woofer?
So now I gotta. No, I have it over there. It's on the side. Oh, I just forgot. So this is the new Jeep. I forgot. We have the box for the last Jeep. I don't know if it's the same, but we'll do it to find out.
Anthony,
What's up, man?
who's faster, Javier or me?
Junior wishes he was fast. So I wanted to show you guys the box that we built for the JL Audio subwoofer, which Junior has it. So we are gonna go take him the woofer because they already finished it. We did it by computer, and I don't know if you guys, maybe I'll get a chance to show you later how it looks on the computer. Let's go check out the box. We got the box. I'm in this tub. Time to put it in the box.
We're gonna do an 8 ounce?
Yeah, for now. And it fits. We're good.
The win.
It's a win.
It's good. What I said. It's good.
It's all good.
Where's that from?
So there's a debate. Who's a faster installer? Lewis for the win, or this guy? Legend has it, this guy has done a whole system in an hour and a half. 4 speakers, 2 amplifiers, capacitor, battery exchange, 2 hours.
See how clean is this? For me?
Okay, that's very clean. So the Lexus left. It's right there. She's about to leave us. She was happy. The bass hit really hard. The box is clean. So yeah. What's up, Lewis? With the new wheels game. Skoo woo! Lewis, your wheels look sick. Look at the Jeep, man. Let's check out the Jeep. What's up, locos? So didn't they change the front speakers already? All the front are in there already? What's up, Adam? You got this Jeep done already or what?
Why?
You done today or no? Oh, he's saying I didn't get him product on time. What's up, Junior? What you got going on over there? You look lonely. You're what? Hey, what's up with Mike? I told him no. So what? But was it? So tell him it'll be ready tomorrow. What? Yeah. So I sold another system. It's gonna be coming on Monday or Tuesday, and we still have to finish the Jeep. I don't know if everything's gonna get done, but I probably won't be here because I'm leaving, and these guys are gonna stay working here. So good luck to them. Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow.